ki Seng ke Liang Pyrshah Meghalaya da kabaya sutuk jumut lang ki Ïeng Ryntih Halor kimat ki banse keren haga Dorbar mang tengkah Ïeng Dorbar thoan ke jelah unong ilam ke Liang Pyrshah uba Roni vi lengdo ukermen bakane ke jing yalong kawai jong kini gilai teliki Seng ke Liang Pyrshah ke bakan thup ya ke Kongres VPP bat TMC kelak banwan rak ya ke jing senrop lang upenna ba kila bu ru bun teli kijing kela bat hadin ba keladon kijing sutu jengmut la bu lang ya kijing keli ban laj na kijing bampor bat pensngoi kimat kijong ki.
Together we can voice our issues, grievances. Most of them were in Garhils, and by chance it seems was not in station, so they informed us. We are sorry, but then take it that we are with you in this. But of course fiscally we cannot be present because out of 5 MLAs 4 are from Garhils. They're Garhils based, so they couldn't come. The house is to voice our concerns of the people. And this is a good thing, it's a good trend. Let's hope that we can all crystallize together and perhaps maybe even have an alliance sooner.